you playing with Daddy? Dance. He needs to like a whole song. Push that one, that'll play a whole song.
Bum, 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 bum.
You dancing?
We're dancing to the frog music.
You do good dancing, baby. You do such good dancing, baby. You're a good dancer. You're dancing it up, isn't he? Oh, those pajamas are ridiculous. Yeah. Who's the best, baby? How old are you going to be, Landon? One. One. One.
High five.
5?
High five.
Woo. 5, 5, 5, yay.
Yay. High five.
Good job, baby.
Yay.
Yay for Landon. Brian, clap for him. Yay. Oh, he's dancing. You do some crazy dancing. Yay for Landon. Yeah?
What was that?
Ah. Yeah?
Wow, that's some loud talk. Loud talk.
Uh-huh.
Wow, yeah. We got a lot to say, huh? We have a lot to say.
Hi. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mama loves you.
Oh yeah, we're rocking out on 2 different toys.
Who's the best, baby?
It's conducting.
Whoa! Hi, honey.
Some good conducting.
That is some crazy dancing. Uh-huh. Got music. See, I'm getting my 9th and 10th tooth. They're coming in.
Oh, we're gonna walk with it.
Hi, honey. Kisses? Little kisses. Show us your teeth. Show us all those great teeth you got. There's your teeth. Yes, yes. Good smart boy. Yeah. You see what he did, honey? He went.
He does. He's a smart boy.
Yeah, there's Landon's teeth.
Yeah, you know where your teeth are.
Landon, where's your nose? Nose is
Let's
much
not push
harder.
it.
Let's not push it. Landon, where's your teeth? Oh, you can. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? No. How about your nose? Do you have a nose? No, no nose.
Landon, your nose. Pretty preoccupied with this.
No. Uh-huh. You're standing up, not holding anything. Look at you standing. Woohoo!
And with pajamas that are 6 inches too long. Make it extra
18s are too small, and he's not quite into his 24s yet. You do good conducting, honey. Go through the tunnel. He's leaving.
Where's he going?
I don't know, but he's leaving. Where are you going, honey?
Where are you going?
He's leaving. Come back, come back. Landon, come back.
He's off.
He's off. Let's go find him. Oh no, he's back.
There he is. There he is.
He came back. Yay. Oh, we're gonna start doing the silly boy. He's doing the silly boy. Everybody do the silly boy. Landon, I don't like you pushing that with the jammies that are too long. You look crazy. Yeah.
One-handed, that's a little bit crazy.
One-handed and crazy jammies? I don't know. You're stuck on the chair, Landon. Oh, you're gonna fix it? No, you're stuck.
He'll turn around and walk backwards.
Landon, you're gonna slip and fall. Oh, God, honey, it makes me feel very unsafe with him. Can you fix his jammies?
It's like an ice skater.
I know, I feel like we're torturing him. Let Daddy fix your feet.
Oh, let's do a little pit stop. Little pit stop. Get the feet in.
Where are your piggies? Where's your piggies? Where's Landon's piggies? Piggies. Daddy fix the piggies. Daddy fix the piggies.
Oh, sorry, little guy.
There you go. Isn't that
There
better?
you go. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's
That's
fired up
better.
again. I think it's still slippery. I don't have non-stick feet.
Those are terrible jammies. Those jammies we can be done with after we wear them today.
Non-stick feet. Good, non-stick feet. Oh, we're just pushing backwards.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's an obstacle. I don't think if you just push it, it's going to get past. What are you going to do?
Spin on to the front and push it backwards.
Okay, it's a creative way to do it.
Yeah, no fool, I know what I'm doing.
Man, back to slippery. Back to ice
Cat? 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 Kitty cat.
Where's he going? Who is that? There he is! There he is!
Hi, honey.
There he is! Oh, back the other way. Back to the tunnel.
Hi, silly.
There he is! There he is! There he is!
Where's Daddy?
There he is! There he is!
Where's Landon?
I see him right there. He's hiding. He's hiding.
Are you hiding? Where are you going?
Go the other way. There he is. There he is.
Peekaboo! That's just too funny, huh?
There he is. I see him.
Yeah. Where's the cars? Outside.
Car?
Outside. Yeah, you know where. Gosh, by the time I get down here, you're already leaving again.
He's doing laps. Laps behind the couch. How many laps behind the couch are we doing?
Lots. Hello!
There he is.
Hi, honey.
Yes. You're the man to be heard.
Yeah. You're kind of crazy, huh?
We're getting
Window?
a little loopy because we're getting a little tired, I think.
Window?
We're in loopy mode.